I don't know if you could take it. No, you wanna see me naked, naked, naked. I wanna be a baby, baby, baby. Spinning in his red just like he came from Maytag. Rocket with it on the brown like.
Good morning, people. Morning. First things first, you guys. I've decided I'm gonna start making this announcement in every video going forward to see if this helps. Please, if you have not yet done so, please be sure to turn on your notifications, okay? Notifications is on my main page. There's that little bell. Click that little bell and just click on the box that says send notifications for this channel or whatever, okay? Please turn it on, because if you do not turn it on, then you will not be notified when I have new videos, and you will not be the first to see my new content. All right, so now that that's out of the way, happy Sunday. Today is Sunday, you guys. I'm a little sad because all along I thought that I was leaving on Tuesday, and then yesterday while I was out with my family for dinner, my brother said something to me. I said something to my brother, and my brother's like, are you sure you're leaving on Tuesday? I would check my ticket. So I came home last night and I checked my ticket, and my freaking flight leaves it tomorrow. So I'm here one day less than I had previously anticipated, and so I'm really annoyed. I have one less day to do everything I need to do. Yeah, not happy. I think the US needs to get up to speed with the vacation the way the UK does, because they get like a month here, 6 weeks, some people maybe even up to 3 months. I have a freaking measly 2 weeks, and obviously I travel a lot, so I have to break it up. Typically when I come to London, I like to be here for 2 weeks, because I feel like it's a waste to like travel for that long just for like, you know, a week. But I can't do that when I only have 2 weeks vacation, and I have plans for the remainder of the year. I've already been to, not Jamaica this year, but I've been to St. Bart's. Ideally, I'd like to crank one more vacation out before the year end. I think I have 4 dates, but I can finagle that and make it something else. But it just really sucks. Like, I'm really annoyed. I'm really annoyed. And I haven't done any real shopping yet, so really today's my last day to get that done. I'm gonna run up to the shopping center and see what else, if anything, I can find. And my friend and I are going to the West End later this evening. Mom's got a wedding to go to today, but obviously because I leave tomorrow and not Tuesday, she also has a lot of stuff to do for me. I like to go on the plane with a cooked meal. I hate the food they serve on the flights, even though Virgin's kind of like, I like Virgin, it's one of my favorites, but yeah, I like to have a cooked meal. So she is making me something to take back on the plane, and it's just a lot. I'm a little sad. I'm a little sad. My makeup is on my lips. I need to put on some lipstick. I've been ODing on the freaking bronzers lately, you guys, or highlight, or whatever you call this thing I've got on my nose. ODing, but I like it. I like the way it looks. I like it. All right, so let me put some lipstick on and get out of here. Okay, bye. I'm here spraying out my mother's perfumes. Why does one person need to have this many perfumes? Like, seriously. Like, why? So I've already put this one on. I have this one at home, actually. Black Opium, YSL. I put a little bit of that one on. Quorum. Don't know what it is. Never heard of it. Opium. Let's put this one on too. It's nice. That's why Diva said I smell like roses or flowers the other day. I literally sprayed at least 5 of them on me. I'm not accustomed to having this many choices, so. What's this one? Cantate, made in France. Ooh. Wow. I'm rocking another one of Primark's basic tees, you guys. This is a new color that they had, because I don't think I've seen this color on my previous ships. So I always, like I said, get multiple whites 5 and 5 short sleeves and long sleeves, and if there are any like interesting colors or nice colors that I like, I get that too. So this was the different or new interesting color on this visit. Oh shit. Alright, so I'm taking a quick walk again up to Bromley Shopping Center because when I was there, I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before, I think it was the day before, I got a top from Topshop and I've since tried it on or worn it and I freaking love the way it looks. And I do recall that they had several colors. So I'm gonna go and get whatever other colors they have in my size because I love it.
Diamonds are nothing when I'm shining with you. Just keep it white and black as if I'm your sister. I'm too hip to hop around town to hit with ya. I know I get wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow thoughts.
Hi you guys. I am on my way to Brixton to meet up with my friend. And from there we're going to go to Paris. Today being my last full day in London, I'm trying to get in as much as I can. So you saw earlier that I went back to the shopping center to get some additional pieces of clothing. This top that I'm wearing is one of them. Really like it. And now I'm just in the back of a cab going to Brixton, having my sugar cane. So you guys, I just made it back from Oxford. Is it Oxford Street? Oxford Street.
Oh,
Oxford Circus, whatever. Went to Bond Street, was looking around, was trying to find a work bag. Couldn't quite find one. And then I saw something that I really wanted, but they didn't have my color. And because I leave tomorrow, I couldn't like wait to have it ordered. Look at Shy. I couldn't.
It's because of the bag and because they didn't have
But
the color.
whatever.
I was just like, oh, and I can't wait till tomorrow. And now I have a perfume.
Do you guys know the scent?
Costs more than my rent.
So I got this perfume. It's called Creed.
But at least I'll be smelling good.
I'll be smelling amazing. It smells amazing.
So good.
So good, you guys. So good. I can't wait to use this. And then I got something very English. I got something from Russell and Bromley. It's a work bag. Let's see. Looks like so. Just a nice classic work bag. It's leather. Oh, great quality. It has this thingy inside, the lining inside, and then it also has the strap if I want to carry it on my shoulders. But I'm like a handle bag type of girl, so definitely will be doing this. And then I have a bunch of stuff in the corner that I may do a haul on when I get back or not. But this concludes, this concludes my London trip, I think. I'm actually, well, no, I'm going out a little later. I'm going to dinner.
She's
Central
taking me with her.
What, mommy?
Lobster.
Oh, my dinner's ready,
Salad.
guys. I can't talk anymore. It's time to eat. Where is she? What are you eating? Go?
With somebody who loves me. Told you they're not warmed up yet.
It's done.
If it come too easy, me never want it, dog. Success feel better when you've been working hard. Trust me, I real thing. Me not drop my guard, I'm gonna left my guard.
Nisi and I are in the West End. Chinatown. We're about to go have some lobster. Some shrimp. Are you calling us gay? I can't hug my niece.
I can't squeeze her booty. Oh, why is your bag in the way? It just ruined the whole moment.
Sorry.
It was meant to be
Sorry, honey.
a frisky squeeze. Didn't work out, guys.
I can't with you. Your knickers are too tight, you know.
Cut them. Did I call you up? Cranny the color.
Cranny.
The color. I don't even know what to call him.
Cranny. Just walking about, you know.
Acting as if I don't need to empty my bladder.
I guess that will be your first stop when we get to the restaurant.
I don't care.
She needs to empty her bladder.
I can tell you saying that instead of I need to wait.
What'd you do right now? Somebody like just grabbed my phone and took off running.
Run after them.
I asked her, what would she do if someone just grabbed my phone now and took off running?
In the opposite direction.
Oh no.
No, I'm joking.
Oh no.
What would you do?
I'd be on top of the event. I'd be out. They did that to my little cousin. Tell me tonight, where are you now? Now that I need you, tears on my pillow.
I don't recognize
Wherever you go. This is Beyonce.
Where am I? No, I don't
Your
know.
own shine. Cheyenne does not know Beyonce.
No, I love
Beyonce.
I just don't recognize the song the way he's singing it.
And if you should come back, come home to me, baby. Won't you know that nobody is to expect? Something like that. Royal Dragon, always eat here, but they're closed today.
Beyonce, take a selfie. There you go.
It's not Beyonce. Did you call me Beyonce?
Better than Beyonce. Man. Beyonce. He knows it. Come on. Yes, Abdurrahman, how are you?
Bye, honey.
Take care, princess. Bye.
Bye. Okay, you guys, so we are about to wrap this vlog up. It's winding down at the end of our night. My battery's about to die. Had a good dinner with Nisi.
It's 11:45.
Yes.
We're tired.
We are tired. Our night's not completely done, but the battery's gonna die, so we're gonna call it a night.
Bye.
Bye, you guys. Hope you guys enjoy the vlog. No, get out of my vlog. So we're gonna call it a night. Goodbye, guys.
Bye.
Wow, wow.